Hello, Righty. How are you?
Hi, I'm good.
Okay.
I'm good.
So where did you go the other day? You went somewhere.
Mm,
You were not here.
Didn't go anywhere.
Grandma's place.
Hmm?
Didn't go anywhere.
Yeah.
Last Sunday you were not around. Okay, let me call the rest. Okay. Just a moment. Let me see who's not here. Oh. Okay. Let me see. Okay. Okay. Not coming. Oh yeah.
We both the whole family went somewhere.
Who went somewhere?
Huh?
Okay. Let
Wait,
me
wait.
see.
Go anywhere.
Didn't go anywhere. Okay. Just let me see. 1, 2, 3. Okay. I think that's all. Five. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay.
My sister, we both were at our grandmother's house. Yeah.
Grandma's house. Okay. All right. Assalamualaikum everyone. Today we're gonna get ready for the test. It's a lesson on decimals. Okay. Oh, Junko, you're very happy, yeah? Okay, here we go. Yeah. Oops. Oops. Hold on. And where is it? Just one moment. Okay. So we are just gonna do the ones that are ticked lah. Okay. We are doing different schools. Okay. All those dealing with decimals. You cannot use a calculator for this one. So let us try now. Question number 2, please. Send your message through your answers through the chat. Okay. Okay, send your message through the chat. And those of you who do not know, 1 meter is equals to 100 cm. Okay, well done, Farish. Farish is a new student here who took the wrong class last week. I'm very sorry, Farish, for last week. I thought your dad was talking about Putri. Please check again. Again, 1 meter is so you can continue with question
Yes, yes,
3.
yes, yes, yes. I send you.
Yeah, yes, your answer is correct. Well done, Raidi. And once again, Farish, very sorry um, about the mistake. But you could follow the lesson still, right? Huh? Can still follow. And that was a lesson that we are doing halfway, you know. Okay, well done, Putri. Okay, let's see what about the rest. What about Shafia? Shafia. Okay, let me see. Come on, come on, come on. I can do the next one, okay? Can do the next one. Those who have finished, do the next one, please. We are still waiting for Putera, for Shafia. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Hey, is there anyone else? I just afraid I missed out some.
There is.
Yeah, but one of them cannot make it. Another one is I just send the reminder. Let's see. I think correct lah. That's all. Okay. Okay. Once again. So once you have completed, please question 3, please. Shafia. Shafia. 1 meter is 100 cm. 1 meter is 100. Putera. Putera. 1 meter is 100 cm. So now you want to change from a small unit. This is called a small unit. Meters is called a bigger unit. So if you want to change, you have to divide by 100. So you need to divide by 100. Divide by 100. 1, 0, 2 zeros. Shift 1, shift 2. Put a dot on here. 20.3. See, but this one is 20.30. Yes, you can cancel the last zero. If that after decimal place, you can cancel last zero for as long as it is the last digit. What about question number 30? What about question number 30? Okay, let me just clear the screen again. Okay. What is this number over here? This is just exactly in the center. For those of you who can't see, you can do this. The force is with you. Let us see. Raidi give answer. Raidi answer could be correct. Could be correct. Let us see. Whether it's correct. So in this case, you can use the agak-agak method, but let us see. Come. Why is he showing us his body and what he's drinking? He's showing us.
So am I correct?
Let us see. I think you most probably you're correct. Most probably correct. Let us see whether yes, Farish have the same answer as you. So yeah, I believe it's correct answer. Okay, you can use the agak-agak method. What is the agak-agak method? Do you know agak-agak not? Roughly. Let us see. But we are waiting for more answers to come in before. Husna Shafia, congratulations. What about Putri Putra, Princess and Prince of Singapore? Are you related to the King of Singapore? Last time the Sultan. It's a very sad story. Okay, Putri, well done. But I do not get any answer for your brother. He's just drinking milk like a small baby. Come on, boy. Where you? Okay, here we go. Okay, down here now, if we find this is in the center, correct? So down here must be 17.5 lah. So this one also is 18.5. So this thing must be less than 18.5. But 18.15, okay. So now in between here, if you can divide 0.5 by 2,
Sure.
you will get what? Oh, just hold on. You will get this. If you say, I don't know, okay, you just imagine it's 50. 50 divided by 225. This is 18.25. This is exactly. So now this is in between 18.5 and 18.5, which is 18.35. Yes, Mr. Raidi. You cannot hear you. You're on silent mode. You're mute. Yes, Mr. Yes.
Okay, it's your turn. So you see the X, right? You see the X is beside the halfway point. So you put the halfway point as 18.550. Done. Then you got the answer.
Yeah. But just in case for those who say, why can't it be 18.15? Why can't it be? So yeah. Okay, but it's closest to 18.5. So this is closest to 18.5. Okay, here we go again. Okay, the rest is handsome, man. Steady lah. Handsome is okay, handsome. But we got to make sure we focus on our studies. All right, come on. We try. Next two. No using calculator, yeah? You can use your paper and pencil, no problem. Okay, Riley is coming in. Riley, let me see, what is your latest answer? Oh, okay. You can estimate around this, Riley. Like, imagine there's no 1.111. Okay, don't say your answer, just write it down. You can estimate the answer for this. Once you know the art of estimation, you will be able to get it. Let us see. There's two answers coming in here. We have. All right, congratulations, Mr. Putra, coming in fast. Coming in first, actually, and then coming with his sister. All right. So Raidi still don't get the art of estimation. What about Mr. Farish? Shafia. I call your name many times. Okay, here we go. Farish, come on, make an estimate. Have you sent, Farish? You sent it there. Okay, I show you the art of estimation. Okay, Farish, you want to send in?
Wait.
And yeah, okay, Farish, just one enough. Question 4. Yes.
I got it.
Okay, tell us what's the answer. 2. Okay, let us see. Yeah, okay. So now I want you to imagine this is number 1. 1 times 80, what's the answer? 80, correct? So this 1 point something is 80 plus. 1 times 80 cannot be 8. 1 times 80 cannot be 888. 100, can you see now? 1 times, this is the art of estimation. What do I mean by this? This 1.11 is like $1 something lah, $1.11. You times by 80, you imagine this is 1. 1 times 80 is 80. So the lowest possible value is 80. Let's say we change it to 2. 2 times 80, how much is it? 2 times 80, 2 times 6, 8, 16. 160. 2 times 80 is 160 already. So your answer must be less than 160 because this is less than $2. Can you get what I'm saying now? You'll get my estimation method. Can see, not? Boys and girls, I hope you get what I'm saying. Right? Farish, you understand what I'm talking about, Farish? Farish, you understand? You seem to be smelling something. Okay, come. Let us
Yes.
go to the next one. Okay, next one. Come on, come on. Oh, Shafia, you are following your sister's style. You've gotten illumination out in there in the outer space. Okay, come. Let's try the next one. Come on. We have
Done.
who else? Done. Huh? Let's see whether he's done. Is he really done? Or done in, like I remember I was in Malaysia many years ago when I was 19. I was telling Putri, I went on a motorcycle ride, and then one day went to this place, this coffee shop, and there was this Chinese man who was so dark skinned, and he said, "Done" in Malay. Habis. Tak ada lagi, tak ada lagi. He was a little bit cuckoo guy. But poor thing, poor thing. I was told one time he was a rich man. All right, let us see where Farish Putri has a say.
Sure.
Yes, Mr. Putera.
Question 2.
Question 5, yes.
5.
We are waiting for you. We're waiting for you. How to do, is it? How to do, is it?
What do
Right,
you mean
right.
by round off the one decimal?
Okay, so round off. Okay, now let's say now, if I give you a number, okay, this is now a revision lesson. 2.678. Now, if they say round off to one decimal place, they want your answer to stop at the first decimal place. What first? This is the first decimal place. They do not want this one. They want you to stop here. This is roughly saying that, for example, Putra has $22.678395 million. You see, round off to one decimal place, roughly.
Followers.
So down here now, in order to round off, you must look at the next digit. You can forget the other digits. Look at the next digit here. All right. If this is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, you must add 1. Okay. So down here you have to add 1 because it's 7. So this one becomes 22.7. Now normally your teacher will write this sign. It is not, this is one sign. This one is another sign. This is the agak-agak sign, agak-agak sign, you know. Okay. So yeah, send your answer, Putra. We're waiting for you. So those of you who do not know, yeah.
The one that you say like the agak-agak sign, is it like the average thing?
Average? No, it's not average. It's like that. One is like this. Okay, sorry, this one is too long. Okay, one is like that. The other one is ting, 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 ting. Okay, Chungkok, we are waiting for you. Chungkok, your answer. You asked me, then you're not giving. Okay, now, so down here now is before the decimal place. So this is 2 point something. But how to know? Well, you change it to the base of 100. You times by 25, you can get 100.
I know the answer.
What's your answer? 1, 2, 3, 4.
4 times 3.
3. Okay, all right. Let's see. And this one, yeah, maybe you might be correct. Let us see. So 75. So now down here, you change this to 2.75. Now, 2.75, you have to look, you want one decimal place, you have to look at this one. If this is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, you have to plus 1. So in this case, you have to plus 1 is 2.8. All right, well done to Carissa, Putri, Farish, and yeah, Raidi. Shafia.
Never mind, can you just call me Carissa?
Okay, but what's the difference between the two?
Confused on how to get the decimal.
Sorry, what? Repeat what was it?
You're making me confused on how to get the decimal now.
How do they get the decimal?
Yes.
Okay, how do you get this decimal?
You know how it's 2.75, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I just how to say, like, you know, I just take the whole plus the top, and then just the whole plus the top.
Mm-hmm.
I mean 3 plus 4, and then I take 3 plus 2.
3 plus 2.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm not too sure whether, okay, I can show you two methods. One is that's not that method. Another one is, this is, what is this? This is division, no? 3 divide by 4. So you can also divide by 4. 3 divided by 4 cannot divide. You put a 0, then put a dot here, put a dot here. You can put a million zeros if you want to, but don't put a million. Then now you try 30. Well, I can get 28 over here. 28 or 7 times 8. 28, then you minus, you get 2. You bring down the 0. What do you get? You get 20. Again, you can divide, you get 5. See, 0.75. So this is 2.75. That's another way of doing it,
Okay.
if you want to. Okay, we move on to the next one, all right? Okay. Let us see. Okay, only the yellow tick ones, because we are only doing decimal. Now, decimals have been introduced to you when you were young. When you go to shop, you see $1.25, $1.15. Actually, $1.10 can be written as 1.1. But because it's a decimal, they want you to know exactly in terms of cents. I think there's no more down here. So goodbye to this. Save lah. Okay, next one. Okay, now it's the next one now. All right, you have the first one here. What does the digit 6 stand for? Everyone must be able to answer, especially girl in outer space. Okay, let us see. Congratulations, we are waiting. Girl in outer space, come in. Come in, girl in outer space. Come on, girl. Let's see. All right, let's see. Okay, Farish, well done. Putra, well done. What about Putri? Putri is not here. Oh my goodness, Raidi, I'm calling you. So sorry, Raidi. I made a mistake. I just now kissed my handphone and then I kissed you. Sorry. Husna Shafia, let us see whether you're right or not. What about Putri? Okay, now Putri, if not, we have to explain straight. Now, in any number,
I sent ready, Cho.
You send. Maybe you're the first one. Where? Oh, put it as number 5, is it? Maybe you sent to someone else, no? Okay, but anyway, what's your answer, Putri?
My answer is 1, Cho. I mean 3.
3, okay. So now down here, what you need to do, you need to identify the ones. Remember, there's only one place for the ones, is to the left of the dot here. This is 1. So beside here is 10. Beside here is 10th with a TH. So this is in the 10th place. So what is it? Is 6 tenths. 6 tenths is number 3. 3, yeah? 3. This one over here, okay? All right, we'll move on now to the next one. Okay, those who don't get it right, you must remember that in this, you want to identify the position, always identify the ones first. Let us see whether we have any over here. I've already ticked yes. Okay, 1, yeah. Can you try? Largest to the smallest. What they call descending order. Those of you who are a little bit confused by this, my clue is to make sure all of them have the same number of decimal spaces. The first one is 9.9. Well, add another 2 zeros after it, then you might be able to compare. Putera, where are you, Putera?
Sure.
Yeah.
I need to move my table.
Okay, go move your table. Move. Okay, righty. Let's see where you are.
Sure.
Yeah.
Into a random number.
Random number.
Yeah.
So righty, you send me this one, right?
Yeah. But
Okay.
then, is what I think is the answer now.
Yeah, I mean, of course, you will write what you think is answer. You will not write what you think is not an answer. And unfortunately, in this case, your answer is incorrect. Incorrect means not inside the correct line, but it's not correct.
Oh, okay.
Let us see this. My clue, as I said, make sure all of them have the same in your working as the same number of decimal places. What do I mean by this? If you don't get it, that means down here you have 3 decimal places, 3 places after the decimal. Down here only 2. Make it the same. You can put a 0 behind. This one you can also put a 0 behind to make it the same. This one you can also put the 0, 0. So there's 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then imagine there's no dot. Then you can compare. Then you know what to do.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Okay, let us see. So, okay, Shafia, you got to try again, Shafia. Imagine Shafia like that lah. Then you'll be able to see. Let us see who has sent.
To put the decimal point.
The decimal point you must put, but what do you mean? Repeat your question. Farish and Farish, well done. Sorry, Farish. From big to small, Farish. From big to small, not small to big. Careful. Now let's say Putri. Putri, how come your number 9.99 appears twice? Offer. Offer. Sometimes we get number free. Free number. Offer. Putra, we're waiting for you.
How about now, Cho?
I just now. Okay, we are gonna compare. Let's see. Your first and second vision is bigger. How come the?
I'm confused. I'm
I
very
think
confused.
you're confused. Really.
Yes, I'm very confused.
Okay, you're confused. I will. Let's see. Okay, Farish is correct. Okay, so now for those who are confused, imagine there's no dot. Imagine there's no dot. Okay, Putri, I think you're right. Yes, you're right. Okay, now. So imagine there's no dot, and I have now add the 0, 0. So this is 9,900. Okay, this one is 9,090. Yes, you're correct, Putri. This one 9,990, because having the dot might confuse you. So imagine there's no dot. 9,909. So now you write down which one is the biggest. Biggest is 9,990 lah. This is number one. This is the biggest. Second is 9,909. All right, number two down here. Third, 9,900. Fourth, 9,090. Okay, see, I imagine there's no dot. Then now what do? I already written all these numbers. I copy the original numbers. I cannot copy my own working style. The working must be 9.99.
I think I got it now.
So you know how to do this question. You add on the zero so that all of them have the same number of places after the decimal place. Okay, and the last one is 9.09. Okay, we have Mr. One guy coming in. Let's see. He just appear and then disappear. Okay, now. Okay, so we move on to the next one. Here we go. Next one. Let us see. No, down here. Okay, pencil. Pencil. In Malay, I've seen a Piramli movie. They call it. Ini namanya pencil kontot. Have you heard before? Kontot, I think. Not kentut, It's kontot. I do not know. Pendek lah. In fact, nowadays there's this word. Last time we used to use the word katik. You all use the word katik still, Sure.
Sure.
Yeah, do you all use katik? Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah.
The ruler only 2 cm.
What do you mean rulers 2 cm?
Look, how much from 3 to 4, count
Okay.
how much, and then you count how much, so it's only 2.
Okay, imagine this ruler is cut down here. Down here is actually start from 0, then you cut. It's a broken ruler. So they want you to know how. So you have now a person using a broken ruler to measure. Assalamualaikum, Syekh. How are you, Syekh?
Waalaikumsalam.
Baru bangun tidur je. No, my voice is now macho. Okay. All right, here we go. Come.
Okay, wait.
Yes. Yes. Shakir, we are trying to find out the length of this pencil. What we can call in Piramli's time, pencil kontot. As I was saying, another word for short for people is katik. I do not know. Last time when I was young, they say, katik. I do not know what language. I think probably it's Malay. Farish is too long, Farish. It cannot be 10 cm. Look, your ruler is not even up to 7 cm. How can it be long? It's a magical pencil. Well, that is in Harry Potter book. Now it's in this one over here. Those of you who find it difficult, I am now going to rotate for you. Okay, in case you have an issue with now rotate like that. So imagine the building is like this tall. You know the building. The building is right until start from 0 lah.
Yeah, I think I found it.
Then there's another building until here. Okay, this one start from 0.
Yeah,
from 0.
I found it.
Okay, let me see whether you need to calculate how much is 1.
Do a lot of multiplication.
This here.
Yes. You have to do about 3.
Yeah, let me see. I'm so sorry. Very sorry.
Wait,
It's
There's more
incorrect.
than. What? Oh,
Okay, let us agree first. Agree first. Imagine there is no number down here lah. Imagine there is no number like that. Farish, maybe close. Okay. Imagine there's no number. All these number. Imagine there's no number. Okay. Imagine
oh, sure.
we count by. Imagine all this there isn't. So
I
we
found
count
my-
down here. 1,
I found my mistake.
2, 3, 4. You know it's 4 cm plus there's one part down here. One small part. 2 small part. 3 small parts. Now, in 1 cm, how many small parts are there? We count. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So there's 5 small parts. 1 cm divided by 5. If you use this method like that, 1 divided by 5. 1 cannot divide by 5. Put a dot in here. Dot, you can put a million zeros, but you just put 1. Then 10 divided by 5 is 2, 0.2. So this one is 7.2, 7.4. This one is, you see, you go down backwards lah. 3, you minus 0.2, 2.8. Oh. You have, okay, 0.2, 0.4, 0.6. So it's 4.6 cm. This is one way of doing. Again, I repeat that you count 1, 2, 3, 4 cm, and then we found out that one part is 0.2. So 4.2, 4.4, 4.6. That's one way. Another way is to find out, oh, this is 7.4 minus, this one is 2.8. Minus lah 2.8. There's another way. So you minus, you get 6 over here. 14 minus 8, you get 6. The dot down here, 4.6. Okay. Are you okay, girls and boys? All right, not?
Sure.
Yeah.
I have so
Why 1 must be divided by 5?
Okay. So now down here, let us look. Let us erase this part first. We have to find out now down here. Okay, I'm going to turn it back first. Sorry, I'm gonna turn this one. Turn it back. View. Can you please rotate back? So you must know. Let's say someone were to ask you, what is this one down here? What number is here? Okay, I can tell you now, you have 5 parts, you agree? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 1/5. Do you agree this is 1/5 cm? Because there are 5 parts, what? So what is 1/5? 1/5 is 1 divided by 5. If you want to find decimal, if you don't believe, use your calculator. 1 divided by 5, you get 0.2. So you divide, you will surely get 0.2. 1 cannot divide by 5, put 0, put the dot. 10 divided by 5 is 2. So you will get like that. So, do you get it? Put 3, no. You sure you get it? You sure? Okay. So you all must know how to calculate this part, okay? Because this whole thing here is 1 cm. See, how do I know 1 cm? Then they tell you this in cm what? Then from here, from 3 to 4, you plus 1, you see? So this must be 1 cm. Then there's 5 parts, you must divide by 5. You say, no, man, 5 divided by 1. Don't do 5 divided by 1, okay? It's not 5 divided by 1, Okay, we clear the screen. Mr. Shakil, where are you, Shakil? We miss you. We have not met you for a long time. Okay. Even Faris have not met you before. We're wondering, where is the Ustad, DJ? Okay, we try this one. Later we ask him to sing a song for us. Hey, Shakil gone? Is he gone? What? Oh, ada. Oh, must make it bigger. Okay, you try. Shakil, later we do a rap together. Islamic song. Play. Suresh. Might be helpful to draw a model for this one. Might be helpful. You don't want to draw? It's okay.
I am very confused right now.
Okay, no problem. No problem.
I need help with this.
No problem. Okay, this is the model drawing. I just want to see, can you do it? Farish, can you do it, Farish? Of course, Farish can do it. See, he looks confident. Putra is looking angry at Putri. Why? What did your sister do?
Read.
You answer one? You are reading. Okay. I'm now, okay, you, Farish, you can check your answer if, let's say, okay, I'm going to draw 1 kg, one rectangle. Okay, so I'm going to draw 7 kg here. Okay, this one is actually not what I'm supposed to teach you now, but since it's decimal, why not? Okay, so now this is 7 kg. Okay, not drawn to scale. Not drawn to scale. This is 7 kg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, when Mrs. Suresh bought 7 kg of rice, she's short of money, $9.30. Where is it? It could be here. I don't know lah, roughly. Maybe this is the amount money she have. Maybe this is 9.30. Okay, but we don't put a line here. When she bought 4 kg of rice, like that, okay, she got $6 left. She got $6 left. That means she has $6. Let's say the $6 is like this lah. So this is $6. You get it now? Okay, this one actually I'm not meant to. So that means 9.30 is from here to here. Okay, you don't get it, it's okay. I'm just trying to see whether you, from here to here is $9.30. Why? Because this represents the amount of money she have. She have enough money to buy 4 kg and she got balance $6. Okay, so that means the 9.30 is until here. So how to find 1 unit? Okay, you can't really find 1 unit, but you can find these 3 units here. These 3 units is equals to 9.30 plus $6. So step 1, 9.30 plus $6 is equals to 15.30. 15.30 is for how many units? You count. These 3 units are 15.30. Okay, we won't go so in detail. If you can't get this one in mind, okay, I'm just trying it out. So 15.30 divided by 3 lah. You divide by 3, you get 1 unit. What do you get? You get $5.10. $5.10 for 1 unit? Yes. So therefore 1 kg is $5.10. Done. See why 1 unit is 15.30 divided by 3. So 1 unit, remember, is the price of the rice. So $5.10. Now I think some of you are confused. I'm not going to go into to explain this. This was a question I just wanted you to try to see where you are. Almost there, Farish, almost there. Maybe your calculation error. Okay, here we go. We try the next one. How come this guy laughing? Why do that? This guy, very good, very good. Okay, I think we are done with this paper. So let us move on to the next paper.
The answers, oh no.
Sorry. Never mind, you can refer to the
This is
video.
the answer.
You got 510, is it? Oh, the answer key. Okay, can you try this? Come on. You must know what this is. Write down this number, write down this number, add them together. Okay, let us see. We got first answer coming in. Congratulations, Mr. Putra. Very fast.
I accidentally
right.
put the wrong number.
Okay, you put the wrong number. Okay, send in the right number, please. You sent already.
Wait.
But you sent so many times, same number. Farish, well done. We're waiting for the rest.
If I put it as the one that I put a lot.
Okay.
The number I put a lot.
Okay, please
Am I
try again.
Oh, okay. Okay, then I think I know.
You must do one of each. Miss Putri, try again. Mustafa, Shafia, and GD. You see, the moment I say Putri try again, she laughed at her. Hey, so bad,
Done?
boy. Okay.
Is it correct?
Okay, try again. Okay, never mind. Come, here we go. So how to do this?
Correct.
First of all, no, yours is not. The one say correct is, no, not yet. Okay, here we go. tens. Remember what is tens? If I'm going to write number 1, 2, 3, 4, I put a dot. You always identify the ones first. This is the ones place. Remember, to the left of the dot. So this is tenth. Okay, let us see, Putri, whether you're right. This is 10. So what do? We just do like that. For 40 tens, just put like dot and put the one space. Why one space? Because tens is one space after the dot. So now you fill in the blanks. Put the 0 here. Put 4. It's already 4.0. Then what about hundreds? Okay, hundreds, remember, is the next one. This is 10, right? T-E-N-T-H. I cannot write properly. This is 10. Aduh. Sekejap. Okay, this is 10. And this one is 100. Okay, 100. Okay, I'm not going to spell it. Okay, so 100 is 2 decimal place, 2 spaces after the decimal. So you do the same thing. Just write 2 spaces after the decimal. Fill in the 5 in the first one. Fill in the 1 over here. If there's no digit here, just put a 0. Then add both of these up. 4.0, 4.0. Align the dot, plus 0.15. Align it. You must be aligned from plus and minus. You have to align. Thank you very much, Putri. So Putri, down here you get 4.15, which is actually number 4. Congratulations to the 2 boys. Okay, you are in for the competition where you can win a prize from your own parents. Own parents, Farish. That means if you win, you got to ask your own parents for the prize. If they ask you what you're talking about, yeah, then just ask mom or dad, just give me a hug, please. Something like that. Okay, let us see. Any more yellow stuff over here? Okay, why is it I'm taking questions from the exam? I think it's best that we practice with exam questions because it prepares you straight for the exams. And yeah, can you try this? No calculator. And action. Wow. I told you, I know. Wow, what is it? He's doing a rap or what? Your brother doing a rap? Says, I told you, I know.
I see. You're supposed to give a present or a parent.
There's no answer. You're supposed to give. Oh, okay. I told you. I will tell your parents lah later to give you a hug when we get it correct. Okay, let's see. Raidi has given that. Let's see whether it's correct.
I do.
Putri has also given. Okay, let us try in a moment. We are waiting for the rest. I cannot use calculator. GD, come on, GD. Putra, come on, Putra. Most probably correct. Farish seems to have same answer, but different variation. So we will come to the variation in a moment. What's variation? Variation means there's a different way of writing the answer, and we're going to see which is most correct.
Sure.
Yeah.
Is variation you put in fraction or decimal?
This is decimal. Why you put fraction for? They're giving you a decimal, must do decimal. I know some of you do not like decimal. Like, sometimes they give you, maybe you prefer Malay language and say English composition. Can I write the answer in Malay? Okay, yes. So a lot of you are giving the same answer.
6.86.
Okay, let's try. Is it 6.86? Let us see. Okay, so 0.6. You write 0.6. Now for times and divide, you don't need to worry about aligning the. Some students get confused. If 5 got no dot, I put 5.00. Please don't do this. You don't need to do this. You just can put a 5 down here, no problem. Don't worry about alignment. Whether the dots must be in one line. Okay. Yeah, you can solve. Okay, 6 times 5?
6 times 5, 30.
3 times 5?
15.
15 plus 3, 18. So now, where do we put the dot? Do we put the dot here?
No.
Here. Down here. Oh, someone put the dot here. So is the answer 1.8 or 0 or 1.8? Which one? Which one is better? Which one? Which one is better? This 1.80 or 1.8? Which one is better answer?
1.8.
1.8. Okay, this is called simplified version lah. Simplest form. This one normally, if let's say it's dollars and cents, then you use yes.
If I put 1.8, is it still correct?
1.8 correct?
I mean 1.80.
Okay, it is still correct because down here they didn't tell you to give your answer in simplest form. But if they ask you to give your answer in simplest form, this is the correct answer. If it's for dollars and cents, is quite strange for you to see. We're having a sale. Today we are selling for 1.8. Let's say people don't know what you mean 1.8. So down here is 1.8 means $1.80. So for dollars and cents, you know, cents got 100 cents. There's 2 zeros, right? So 2 digits after the decimal place. So I hope that answers the question. It won't be marked wrong, but it is best to have this because this is simplest form. Okay, here we go. Okay, we're not doing this. Yellow one. No. We do this one. Okay, decimal. Answer is decimal. Decimal. So, Raini, correct. Congratulations on your earlier one. Couldn't give you an answer yet because I was calculating. I just turned to drink. Someone has already sent an answer. Who is this guy? He or she must be very fast. Wow. What time we end? Ya Allah, what sort of answer is that? I thought I'm waiting for the answer. You say what time is the end? Ya Allah, every time student asks that, it's not a good sign. This sign says, it's like saying, hey, teacher, when you gonna die? It's so bad this one. Aduh. Say why? Why you ask that question? Because I don't have tuition anymore. If you're not around, I don't need to have tuition. Aduh, so bad Okay, let us see now. Okay. Raidi and Putri have the same answer. Let us see whether the rest have the same answer. We end at 7 o'clock, which is in 48 minutes more. We have also Putera having the same answer. That means when a lot of students have the same answer, there are two possibilities. One is they are mostly correct, or if they are together in a room, they might be copying. So how your teachers know if you're copying? When you get the wrong answer and everyone have the same wrong answer, the same mistake, that shows that how come you can make the same mistake this one? Unless it's a common mistake. But in this case, you are not sitting together. Mostly, I mean, like Raidi is in another place. Unless he's on a private chat asking, Putri, what's the answer, Putri? Then we know what it is. Yeah, except for Putra. Putra is beside him. All right, come beside her. Sorry? Hey, Farish, what's your answer, Farish? GD. Come on, GD. Okay, down here now, if you are confused, remember decimals and, okay, let us see if Farish whether right. Decimals and fractions are related when they are they have a denominator like that. 1,000, tens. This one is not. You got to change it to times 5 to make it 10. Okay, make it into 10. When you make it into 10, very simple. For example, 7/10 is 0.7. 3,000. Okay, very simple. There's 3 zeros, right? Okay, see how to do. You put down here dot 1, 2, 3. Put the 3 in the last one. Then the rest put 0. Then what about the number in front? There is no number here, right? So put a 0. Down here, you got a times 5 times 5. So this one you get is 5 out of 10. This is what? Is 0.5. So you add together lah. Now, when you add decimals, you must make sure the dots are in line. Look, I write the dots. Make sure they are in line. See why? Okay, this one is 0.5. This one is 0.7. This one is 0.03. So one of you missed the zeros. You miss the zero is wrong. No? You have a 0 down here, one of you. So 5 plus 7 is 2. 12, sorry. What? 12? Carry 1. So this is 1.203. But remember to plus the 36 over here. So at 36, you get 37,203. Congratulations to those of you who got it correct. All right. Okay, we move on to the next one now. GD, come on, GD. And our paper, most probably paper 2, there's no question. No, most probably I won't choose paper 2 for. No, I think never mind. Never mind. We don't do this unless we have. Hold on, we move to the earlier one. Okay. Is it Rosyth or Rosai? When I was in a teacher, they tell me this Rosai. Some people say Rosyth because in Star Wars, you call it the Sith, right? But that's Sith, but yeah. Anyway, I'm not too sure myself. Ross. Rosa. Okay lah, Ross.
What?
So you write the numbers, then you can add them up together. Or if you know you can do it straight, great. Come on, Mr. Mr. Oh, very sharp head. It's good for swimming actually. Putra, you swim like that, you know, there's less water resistance. Okay.
Sure.
Yeah.
You know, right? That when you want to swim in the ocean, right?
Uh-huh.
Then when you swim, are you scared of the shark?
In the ocean. Okay, first of all, very few people swim in the ocean.
I
Right.
know.
But I think I will be afraid. In fact, after watching the movie Jaws when I was young, I was afraid to swim in a swimming pool. Although,
that sharks are actually not harmful. Not a lot
Not-
of
Yeah.
not what?
They're endangered animals.
Endangered. Yeah, you know why? Later I'll show you now. How sharks become torpedoes, you know? Some people, they like torpedo. Later I'll show you. They go
They
in,
like shark fin shoot.
they cut their fin. How the shark is going to move? So then you just put the shark into the water. Poor sharks.
Sure.
Yeah.
And when you swim in the ocean, right, you like want to do like cannonball, it's like, then the shark can sense that you are there already.
If let's say there's blood, I heard they can smell blood. I do not know.
Not a lot of that one go for human blood, but a lot of them go for fish.
Fish blood. Okay. I do not know whether they can fish blood or the thing. Okay, those of you who have given the answer for this one, hey, look, you can easily estimate. Two of the answers are out. See, 40,000. This is how many thousand? Don't look at the, imagine you're not looking at the, don't look at the numbers after the dot down here. Can you see?
Why is it so
This one is 4,004. This one is 40,000. No? This one 4,004.
So what's writing?
What?
000.
Sorry?
Just now got some 000.
Yeah, the 00, that one is written by your sister. Your sister wrote it. That's why she unvideo herself. She's too embarrassed. Okay, come. You're waiting for everyone. Come on. Let me see who has sent answer. No one. Farish, have you sent the answer? Yours is that the one? That's the one. Yeah, sometimes I get confused. Okay, let us see whether your answer is different from Putri. Putri has a different answer. Let us see whether you are right or who's right. Okay, are we ready now, guys? My suggestion is this. Write this number down first. 40,004. This is 40,004. Dot, tens, hundred, thousands. Fill in the blanks. 6,000. Isn't tens, 100,000. 6 tens. 6,000.
Wrong.
There's no hundreds. There's no hundreds.
That's correct.
So this is correct. Okay. You get it again. I repeat. This is tens, 100,000. So there's no hundreds here. So put a 0 here. 6, you put down here, 6. So many people want to become assistant teachers. Okay, one day they will take over, inshallah.
So can I be your assistant?
Assistant teacher, I thought we want to go swimming in the shark together. In fact, I'm just worried. My main worry, if let's say you get stuck in the ocean and you want to defecate. You know what's defecate?
No.
Hey, I taught you that word many times. Defecate.
Yes. Pee and poop.
Pee, urinate. Poop is defecate. How come you do not know that? Imagine now, imagine you're in a berak inside the ocean. Then you're underneath, right? It's without anything, then you're letting out all the dung coming out, and then the shark gets the smell. and eat you up. It's quite a scary thing, man.
40
Okay,
more minutes
Okay.
left.
40 minutes more. Okay, the GST one we're not going to do it. I'm going to do something that is
Easy?
sorry, not easy. Yeah, more basic, so that we don't have to. Okay, this one you must be able to do this one. This one, remember, simplest form they tell you. As a mixed number, Shafia, what are you doing, Shafia? Come on, Shafia, you can do this. Hey, Shafia, why there's two of you? One outer space, one in the living room. I do what I want. Okay. I am the modern girl. Okay. All right, Righty, let's see, Righty. I think, Righty, you are correct. Righty, let us see whether the rest. Wow, really? Putri? Well, I wish you the best. Well done to Mr. Putra, Miss Putri. So great to know that, yeah. Seriously, Putri? And next time when I go to Indonesia to train the teachers and all that, you should come along, okay? You help me. You know, I train them and all. And yeah. And also the teachers. I went to Fiji to train and whatnot. We are waiting. What about Mr. Farish? What about Miss Putri? What? Hello, Miss. We will meet each other later. Usna Shafia, come on. Putra, what happened to you? Oh, I thought you had different screens. Suddenly you're just beside. GD, come on, GD, come on. Okay, those of you who are not so sure, remember, you got to change this to a fraction first. Before the dot is a whole number. Then you put 12 on top here. But what's below? There's 1, 2 decimal place, 2 places after decimal, so it's 2 zeros. Okay, 2 zeros. Huh? So that will be like that, 100. So you can divide by, you can divide by 4. Divide by 4, you get 4 wholes, 3 out of 25. Okay, those of you who got it correct, congratulations. Move on to the next one. Let us see.
So in the last few minutes, can you give us a like story?
Okay, story. Okay, but I just told that story to okay, inshallah.
You want
I told
stories?
the true story of I like that story because it's a true story. Okay, but okay, I'll tell you a true story. Okay, here we go. Yes, you have done this before. Remember, you have practiced the decimal places and whatnot. Please try this, please. No using calculator, yes. Whoa. It's very fast. Yes, by estimate, you can know this, right, Righty? In fact, you don't even need to do the whole question by estimation. Oh, Righty, now that's the next answer, is it, Righty? Okay. All right. Your second answer is wrong. Your first answer is correct. Please try. In 1 kilo, remember, kilo means what? 1,000. Kilo means 1,000. Come on. Let us see. Oh, Miss Putri, well done. Yes, well done, Putri, for 2 and 3. Farish, number 2, your answer is right.
That is all.
Okay, but you make careless mistake still for the second one. We're waiting for Putera. Shafia, okay, Shafia. All right. What number 3 is correct, Shafia? Number 2 is not correct. Yes. Yes.
The question number 2 too.
What's your answer?
No, for question number 2 too.
Oh, your answer is 2. Okay. Those of you say that, okay, well done, Farish. Now, you can just estimate, okay? You know how to estimate? Look, let me show you. Imagine it's number 2. What is 2 times 90? 2 times 9, 118. Add a 0. 880 cannot be in 1 point something, cannot be 18, cannot be 1,800. 180, this is closest to 180. You don't even need to calculate. Can see not?
Sure.
Putra, can see not?
Sure.
Imagine this is 2
I
times.
still need to do question 2. No, I say the answer 2.
Sure.
Oh. While everyone have completed the question, you're asking what to do. That means what were you doing before when everyone is doing? What were you doing? I was combing my hair. Okay. All right. Yes. Yes.
Can you show this picture to everyone? I am brave enough.
Okay. Wait. Okay, you can send. You can send. I can show you. I can show them.
Send.
Okay. Now down here, 4.2, you want to change from a big unit to small unit, right? You must times. A small unit to big unit, you must divide. Some of you say, what is small unit, one big unit? Okay. In 1 km versus 1 meter, which one is bigger? Km is bigger lah. So you want to change to meter, you must times by 1,000. Why 1,000? Kilometer, kilometer means 1,000. So you must take 4.2 times 1,000. Okay, you see that guy, you don't know what is he showing off. Say, look at my house, look at my this, look at my that. Come on. We're doing mathematics, don't need to show off, later can show off lah. Okay, you already show off your hair already. Now, 1, 2, 3. Why 3? Because there's 3 zeros here. So put a 4,200. Mr. Raidi, you get it now, 4,200. Okay, times the thing. Okay, let us now move on to the next question and let's check.
But can you guys
Okay, I'll check. Let me check first. I do not know. If let's say you show a picture or something is bad, I'm not going to show them. Let us see. Hey, who is this? What is this? What are you doing?
Me and my cat.
But why are you? Oh, you and your cat sleeping. But you are without shirt. No, it's okay to show.
Yes.
Okay, this is.
It's just shirt, not pants. If pants, you
Okay, so he wants me to show you this one. So this is now the boy, but he wants you to see this one. The cat is also the same. Oh, sorry.
Me and the cat have something in common.
In common.
It is.
So if let's say you find someone under the
Sure, hurry
blanket.
up, do that. Okay.
Yeah. Oh, very good. I'm so happy. Oh, Putra says,
I did say my answer.
really? You said answer, alamak. There's a answer. I'm told in Malay is wow, very fast. Huh? Let us see whether is correct. Congratulations, Mr. Putra. What about the rest? Come on, Raidi. Down here there's 1. Down here there's 2. It means you must have 2 zeros. Okay, over 100. Over 100. Well done. Over 100. Well done. Okay, well done to Putra and the gang. Come on, Mr. GD. Come on,
You're
GD.
thinking that 100 there.
Okay, this one. No using calculator, please try to. So how to do? Take 2 divided by 7 lah. Just 2 divided by 7. Come on, you can do it. Say 2 divided by 7. Some of you automatically do this. This is 7 divided by 2. You not the 2 divided by 7 like that. 2 divided by 7. Not 7 divided by 2. Okay. Wow. Oh, very fast your answer. Let's see. 2 divided by 7. How come so fast?
Question 7 correct.
We're gonna check. Hold on, now we're gonna check. Yeah, I'm gonna check.
Yeah, check it out.
Because your answer and your sister's answer are the same, so you're sitting close to one another.
Thank
Okay,
you.
Raidi has the same answer also, but we don't know whether you correct to this. Okay,
Yeah,
let's see.
sure.
We are waiting for the rest.
Yeah.
While you're waiting for the rest, I will also do the working now.
When?
What? Do the what?
7.
Divide by 7. 2 divided by 7 cannot put a
Oh.
0. Okay. Then put a dot here. You can put 1,000 zeros. We can put so now down here, what is that already? 14. It's okay. So you get 14 is 2. Minus, you get 6. Bring down the 0 over here. Oh. Allah Akbar. Bring down the 0. So this one will be 56. 56 is 8, you know. Are you sure? Yeah, but they say correct. 2 decimal places. So let's see. Then 4, you minus get 4. Bring down the 0 again. And then you will see whether it is ready. Down here you get 5. So you want to convert to 2 decimal places. So 0.285. That means 1, 2. You must look at here. If this is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, you plus 1. So you plus 1. 0.29. Congratulations to Putra, Putri, Farish, and Raidi and the gang. Congratulations. Okay, ready for that? We will send your photo to the newspaper.
Story time.
Hopefully they might give you a
Story time.
story time. Is not story time, it's 30 minutes more. You want story time?
No, story time later.
One story.
30 more minutes. It's 30 more minutes.
30 more minutes now. Okay. One story, let me see. In fact, this is this story I told to
The last one, okay.
what? Yeah, I just told to Putri, so I do not know. If Shafia, why are you showing myself down there? I feel I was looking at Antu, no? Okay. So this is this is actually I just repeat the story, yeah. But she was sleepy then, so maybe she might not remember. Okay, the name of this person is Frederick Douglass. I may have mentioned it to you. In fact, I went to a school, Chua Chu Kang Primary School. I think I gave a talk and I mentioned him. And someone asked me, one of the students, "Is that your father?" I said, "Oh my goodness, the fella is dead already." Of course, my father died also, but and he died 100 plus years ago. So
Okay, then let's go back to maths.
although you're the one who asked for a story, now you say that this guy, he just won ATT. This is Frederick Douglass. So when did Frederick Douglass live? He lived 100 years ago. Now, he was a slave, and he ran away from becoming a slave. First of all, you see, oh, this is Africa and all that. In fact, 1/3 of the slaves, some estimates say, 1/3 of the slaves in America were formerly Muslims. That means they were Muslims and they were brought into slavery. But you may not know this, you may not know about this, that do you know 200 years ago there were slaves in Malaysia, Singapore? Do you all know? Okay, so now you have debt slavery. You can check this out. Debt slavery in, let's say, Malaya lah.
It's been more than 100 years.
Yeah. So what happened? Debt slavery means if, let's say, you borrow money from someone and you cannot pay, you can become a slave, by the culture. So what happened? Stamford Raffles, he made this. Stamford Raffles, he outlawed. That means he made it illegal. Stamford Raffles, can you see? Stamford Raffles, he abolished this in Indonesia.
Show the image.
Show image. Image, okay. Stamford
Raffles is a good person.
I'm okay. Some people say that he's a schemer and whatnot. I do not know whether you know the real story. If I tell you the story of the real story of Singapore, I do not know whether I get into trouble. You want me to tell you or not? No need. We go back to next. Yes. Yes.
You know where I was born?
Singapore.
Indian. No, Raffles Hospital.
Oh, Raffles Hospital in Singapore. That's very expensive place, man.
Sure.
Expensive birth. Yes.
Yes, indeed. I even brought
You
expensive
know
milk.
which year I was born?
Milk.
Which year? Of course, I know which year you were born. This year is
It was
2021.
1965.
Oh, you're older than me. And you look so young.
This year is 2020.
Yeah. No, but he just say he was born 1965, so we do not know what he is. Is he a creature or whatever?
Is he an alien or
No, maybe he's time traveler.
time travel?
Or he's a student pretending to be a time traveler. Okay, come. I think most probably true. Okay, come. Let's try this. What is the sum of 7 tens and 7,000? In fact, I don't believe in the official story of how Singapore got its name.
Shaydan,
Am
am I correct?
You are echoing, so let me check in a moment. Let us see whether. Wow, both of you have the same answer. 7, 10. Okay, Putri is correct. Putra is correct. Raidi, let me see. Raidi is How can it, Righty? There's not even one hole here.
Oh wait.
This
so,
one is
okay, wait,
what
wait,
number is this?
wait.
Remember again, if they're asking you for the 10, okay, let us see. They're asking you for tens, put a blank one dot after y because this is the tens place. So
Yes,
now
I know,
put
I know,
7 here.
I know.
So this one is 0.7. What about 1,000? Same thing, 1,000 got how many 0? 3 zeros. So make sure you have 1, 2, 3. Put the 70 in the last part on here. Then this one you put a 0. What about here? 0 lah. So now you put 0.070. When you add them up, you get, because they want a sum, right? 0.77. Supposed to be 2, yes.
I
Yes.
just got tricked to.
The answer, I
Nice.
mean, the question is similar to other question, right?
Yeah, similar. In fact, you know when this paper is from? Look, this is from 2013. How old were you? You say, I was 3 years old. Yeah, 3 years old. Can you imagine? So some of the questions there, the Singapore stuff is, in fact, Singapore maths is one of the toughest in the world. All right. So if you ask the Americans to do it and all, they won't be able to do it. Most of them will fail. Yeah. But they rule the world. Why? Well, it's not only intelligence up here that makes you rule the world. Okay, can we try the next one? This is divide. You must be able to do this. No using calculator, please. Mr. GD, come on, GD. I'm not seeing any answer from you, GD. GD. Husna Shafia, why you put your sisters punya? That is not you. That's Shafi'i and Shafika. I'm jealous of them. Don't be jealous, okay? Don't be jealous. Be happy for them. I didn't say that. Then who did? Wow, let us see whether you're correct. Let us see. Anyone else? Congratulations, Miss Putri. You are the first one to get it correct. For that, you get a free hug from mom. And if you want, from your brother too. Okay, come, brother. Don't waste time, brother. We're waiting for you. Come on, brother. Cannot use your calculator, Mr. Sheikh Akil. Well done, Righty. Congratulations. Well done. Do one remainder. They want you to give the whole decimal. You must finish it. No remainder. Cannot have remainder. So come, Shafia, what about the rest? Come on. So your timetable got to be good. Okay, so I'm going to write it down here. Oops. Okay, so divide by 8. 4 cannot divide by 8. Okay, never mind. Move on to the next. 48. 48 divided by 8. Well, you get how much? 6, correct? Now, you are crossing now to bring down the 2. Put a dot now because there is a dot on here. Can 2 divided by 8? Cannot. Put a 0. 28, yes. 28 divided by 8.
I really say, man, is it correct or wrong?
Both of you are correct. You and Farish are correct to say. So divide by 8, you get 3, right? Minus 4, you can add as many zeros as you want. So bring down the 1 0, you have 40. 40, you get 5. 6.035. Okay? All right. You all look bored. Don't be bored.
6.03.
6.035. 6.0. Oh, you're counting the time. That means this.
No. It's like first I can see how I can see how long it is.
I see. Yeah. What happened? Why you find? Why you
Test us?
test you? I'm testing you now.
No, can you test us times table? Because because I'm kind of forgetting sometimes.
Okay, later. I gotta find the cards now because I've not tested for a long time. Can we try this one first? This one, again, these are like basic questions. Will such question come up for PSLE? Yes, in paper 1, possible. So you need to know all this now.
Sure, just you don't need to use the card. Just go on the whiteboard.
Okay.
Okay.
Very handsome, very nice.
Oh, thank you.
Wow. How do you know I'm
Just
talking
very
about you?
handsome.
No, I'm not handsome. I'm losing my hair. You say that, that means you're saying that I love your balding head. So bad. I can see my scalp nowadays. In fact, kutu also don't dare to live in my head anymore because easily caught. No, kutu? Kutu is lice. No? By the way, yes. Come.
Done.
Let's see. Putri has given answer. Raidi has given answer. I think your answers may be correct. Let me check now. But we are waiting for the rest. What about the rest? Okay, I think yes, Putri and Raidi correct. Farish, almost correct, but you need to round off to 2 decimal places. You will get a slightly different answer. Perhaps. But by saying that, I'm just giving you the clue of the correct answer. What about the rest? Come on, GD. You can do it, GD. I
Sir,
believe
don't
you.
this, sir.
Okay, so down here.
Mixed number, sir.
Mixed number. So down here, you see, this is one whole. So this is 1 point something because there's a whole number here. Then this, what is this? It's 3/7. 3/7 is 3 divided by 7. Never mind, you don't know. Okay, I won't. So can 3 divided by 7 cannot put a 0. Then you can put a dot and you can put as many zeros and hold on. Now, then next one you can divide by 30, can divide by 28, you can get 4. Remember, you must put a point here. Now then you minus, you get 2. You bring down the 0. Then you get 14 over here. And this is 2. Hard question. Okay, sure. We'll get a hard question. You minus, you get 6. 6 now, you bring down the 0. Okay. Hold on.
Okay.
Putra, what happened to you? You look as if you are what are you doing? You're in toilet or something. What is he doing? Now the next one then 56. Injured. So 8. So you don't need to divide anymore. If you want to divide, you don't need to divide anymore. Why? Because they want 2 decimal places. You already have 3. So let us convert this to 2 decimal places. You want 1 and you want 2. Look at the third decimal place. U plus 1, yes. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 plus 1, you get 0, 4, 3. So now remember there's a 1 in front. So 1, 4, 3, not 1, 4, 2. Don't just stop doing down here. Okay, I've been requested to give you a difficult question. So I'll give you a difficult question. Yes.
Sure.
Yeah.
Realize how skinny I was that you can even see my ribcage.
Yes. In fact, you can play the guitar. Yes.
Who give the hard question?
piano. Don't forget.
Don't give the...
Don't forget piano.
Who asked you to recommend the hard question?
You asked me to give, then now you say who is asking to
I
give.
said times table.
I thought you're the one to sing and give the hard question. Okay, who is that? I know. Okay, come. We try this one. Hold on. Not this one. Down here. Can we try this one? No, but this is not hard. It's not hard. It's a juice question.
See me there.
So some of you may say, how to divide by 2-digit numbers?
No.
What happened? Why are you screaming? What's wrong with this guy? Yeah?
What is it? Milliliter.
What is milliliters? Okay, 1 liter 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. In fact, I would prefer them to just leave the answer in liters, but
This on times table.
times table, okay, we're going to test you in a moment, but you're screaming. I dare not test because you're in pain. After I ask you 7 times, say, ah. 6 times, ah. And next thing, you say, 5 times, say, ka. So what happened to him? He became a crow. Congratulations, Mr. Raidi, but they want you to, I did not spot this. You are supposed to give your answer in milliliters, so it's no longer a destiny.
Am I correct?
You are, hold on, you are correct, but now you got to change your answer to milliliters. You have given the answer correctly in liters, so you need to times by 1000 to make it into milliliters. So you need to times by 1000. Okay, well done. Raidi, I think you go and divide by 1000. Or you divide by 100.
Sorry.
When you times, the number become bigger. Well done, Putri. COVID-19. Who is that? As you can see, COVID-19 is dangerous. Okay, well done. Who is that? What happened? I feel as if it's an alien.
It's because it's an echo. It's because of an echo.
Okay, so now 300. Okay, so answer 300 mils. So let us, how to do this? Very simple. You add all of them. 2.5 plus 1.3 plus 1, you get 4.8 liters. So altogether, there's 4.8 liters. So you can easily change 4.8 liters into 4,800 milliliters. You times by 1,000. And then they're going to pour this amount of water into 16 cups. So you can reduce that, divide by 8, you get 2. Divide by 8, you get 60, right? Divide by 2, you get 1. Divide by 2, you get 30. So there's 30 plus a 0 here. So it's 300 mils. Okay, 300 mils.
No.
Okay,
yes. I got bad news.
Wow, what's the bad news?
Another 2 more minutes and then it will be 10 more minutes.
Okay, I will give timetable now. Since
Okay.
I'll write the number. Okay. But you must say out the answer lah, but don't scream. Yes.
Okay.
Ready? Ready, yeah? And go. Farish got first. 56 is correct. Yeah? So this is actually Farish got it. Okay, now the next. Ready, yeah? Righty got it.
21.
21, Farish.
21.
21.
Yeah, but okay.
Close.
32.
32. Who was the one who said it first? I think Raidi. Is it Raidi or
ID.
Raidi, yeah? Okay, not bad, Raidi.
9 times.
Okay, yeah. Problem is you all can see.
27.
Putri got it. Right, Putri, you got it.
Oh shoot! Oh shoot!
48.
10 more minutes.
46.
64.
64. Husna Shafia. Shafia, right? Hey, how come you don't know this? 64. Come on, come on.
I forgot.
Congratulations to Shafia. Shafia get a free present from mom.
Sure.
I'm
Yeah.
stressed out.
Everyone
Why
really
stress?
like, can I really say?
No,
Hey, who's stressed out?
me.
Who? Why? Hey, you must ask Putra. Putra, you are stressing him out by timetable. Okay, and go.
What?
28. Who said 28 is, huh?
Me.
I think Putri, yeah. Okay, now we go. There we
Why
go.
you draw one line?
Sorry lah, dia terlajak lah. Okay, this time Putra, congratulations. And one more person. There's 2 persons. Yeah.
7 times.
I think
14.
14.
Okay, I think a few of you, Farish, one. Yeah.
Can everybody stay there? I only can everybody leave there? I stay. Test me times table.
Oh, it means you want me to get rid of everyone and then you alone test. Okay.
Okay, bye-bye.
Not today, not today, not today. Yeah, I can hear my own voice as if I'm in outer space.
24.
24 to Miss Putra. Putri, Miss Putri. Miss Putri, not Miss Putra. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. It's bad on me. It's bad.
6.
Putra, well done. 48.
68.
No, 48, not 48, not 60 something. And the last one.
I can't see.
22.
Wait. Sorry. The last one, Ready,
Wait,
9 times. 9. No, shoot.
9.
Okay.
I said it.
I'm just gonna share with you something. I forgot what I wanted to share you. It was actually quite interesting. Oh yeah. I watched this lecture, and this lecture talked about the sounds in outer space. You know, last time there was this movie called Alien, and then in the first Alien movie, they said that when you scream in outer space, no one can hear you. But this is not true. This is not true. Okay, I'm going to show you. Okay, this is NASA did the recording, and then you can listen to this guy. His name is Omar Sulaiman. He's actually an ustad. So ustad in the US, Omar Sulaiman, and NASA outer space sound. So hold on, I am going to share again with the sound this time. Yeah. Hey, your sound, you're off lah. Who's that? Okay. Otherwise, you'll be hearing they think this from outer space. Actually, it's not from outer space. It's from. So there is this. Stanford Air Force. Sorry,
Enter. You never press enter.
Omar, Sulaiman. NASA outer space. So he gave a lecture of this. Okay, so he says, can hear the angels in space, but I want you to hear this one now. Hold on.
So when we're talking about the
Can
angels,
you hear the sound? Can you hear the sound? Okay, so let's see.
okay? I want you just to listen quickly to what it sounds like in outer space. NASA actually had a recording from outer space they put up 16 years ago, right before the turn of the millennium. And the name of the research was Our Universe is Not Silent, because there was this idea that if you went out to outer space, you wouldn't hear anything except for the moving objects. Just listen to what it sounds like in outer space.
Wait, pause. Wait,
Obviously, you know,
So
that's good.
you heard the sound? It's not silent outer space. So they say that it sounds like people chanting like Ezekiel.
No, I hear like a beam of light.
Beam of
it's
light.
actually very, very.
Yeah. Like in movies, you know, like when suddenly
The lightsaber. You're talking about lightsaber.
something like that, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. You can listen. Yeah. You
Sounds very like familiar.
familiar. Okay. You can listen to that lecture if you want to. Okay. We got 5 more minutes, so we will end the thing with some exercises. Okay. We got 5. Not end now. I didn't say end now. See, end now. So happy.
What exercise?
Exercise. Here we go. We're going to do the exercise. Okay. Hold on. Down here. Hold on. Okay. Can you try this?
Sure, can I go to the toilet?
You can go, but the time you come back, we won't be here. Carry on, please.
Okay.
So happy. He's so happy. Okay, we got our first answer. Let us see what the first answer is. Okay, righty, let's see.
I meant to put another 9 at the back.
I think, wow. So you must know how to change. Now, how to change from kilo to grams? You times by 1,000 already. You must times by 1,000.
I thought both of them said gram or kg.
Yes. Let us
Is
see.
it plus or times 1,000?
You must times 1,000 times. Don't plus, times.
Sure.
Yeah.
I got teka-teki, sir.
Wait, hold on. Before you teka-teki, have you done this one? Who is it? This one? Putra.
Done?
Okay, we are waiting.
Saya got teka-teki, sir.
Later teka-teki. Now we complete this one first. Let's see. Only one person have sent me an answer. So this one you find out how much this is first. Okay, we do together lah. 0.25 you times by 1,000. When you times by 1,000, you
Is
shift.
it times?
Yeah, you times 1,000.
You get my answer.
Hold on. 1, 2. Yeah, I got your answer, Farish. So let us see whether you're correct. So this is now 250 grams. So they are asking you, if let's say you pour them both into the same container, you want them to be the same amount. So one is 250 grams like that. Another one is 600 grams. So now, how much must be poured from this container into here so that both of them have the same? So first of all, we must know what is the same. So you take total 600 plus 250. Okay, what do you get? You get 850. That's the total amount of flour, or the Americans call it flour. Okay, I do not know why they call it flour, but it's flour, right? So 850. Then you divide it by 2. Then you can see how much is needed. When you divide this by 2, you get 425. Okay, 425. So you need to make sure that this container has 425. So how much more is needed? Take 425 minus 250, and I think Farish, you are correct, got it right. It is 175. So you need to pour 175 from here to here. And when you pour 175 over here, this will become 425 also. So the answer is 175 grams. Oh, yes, grams is given, GG is given. Okay, let me see any of your answers. Can you sing? Although I am one of the worst singers ever. Okay, I was
250 lecture.
425. Then you must take 425 minus 250. You get 175. So
It's
175 is what needs to be translated. I cannot sing. I'm so sorry. Okay, it's 7 o'clock now, and
teacher, I
we
need
will
to ask
ask.
you a question.
Yes, yes. Hey, Shafia, who is that?
Can
Yeah.
can I just like take like 600 can I just take can I do it slowly, like take 50 from 600 and put to 250 then
Oh,
continue?
can, but that's not a precise method. That means you say now I got 600 here, then I'm going to put 50 inside. Can also, but it's a very slow method. What if let's say the difference is very big? You can, it's not wrong. It's not wrong. For small amounts you can. Okay, but at least it's a method and you got it correct. You're the only one who got it correct. So we will say goodbye, but before that, Putra wants to sing for us as we say goodbye. Putra, are you ready with the song? Oh, Syakil Syakil tengah nyanyi Syakil. Syakil.
That's not what you
Okay
say.
lah then. Alright, take care. See you.
Kata kita.
That's it. Nothing. Okay. Bye-bye.
Agak
Take care.
teka-teki.
Assalamualaikum. Bye-bye.
Waalaikumsalam.
Oh, what's your teka-teki?
Salam Cok.
What's your teka-teki?
Dalam
Macam-
banyak-banyak ikan apa yang pandai dalam math?
Pandai what?
Pandai
Maths,
dalam
dalam
math.
maths. What's the answer?
Syed Salim.
Ikan yang, I'm not ikan. Dia kan ikan yang mana yang pandai maths? Apa? What's the answer?
Anglefish.
Anglefish.
Oh, anglefish. Okay, not bad. Okay then. Assalamualaikum. Bye-bye. Take care.
Waalaikumsalam.